What is up, guys? Derek and Warren with Divine Audiovisual, and we are the brothers of DAV. And today we are back here on another 13-channel home theater masterpiece. Look at this bad boy right here. The size we got, 158. It is custom cut to this space. You see it in the top corner up there, close as you can possibly get. Another custom acoustic transparent pass right through there. So yeah, I'll hand it over to Warren real quick and we'll get into the next portion of this.
Okay guys, so now we're gonna hand it over to Cody. This is during the installation of the home theater, so that way you guys can kind of get an idea of the work that went into this thing. After that, we're gonna kind of come right back and show you a home theater tour of the whole project,
as well as some awesome demos. So guys, stay tuned for that. Cody, take it.
Get it going.
We have Pro 18 RWs for the front left and front right, and the THX502L as our center channel. Beautiful speaker. How we did this, there's a Smurf tube in here. We ran the lines from the home run to the start of our Smurf tube, ran it down here. You see a lot of holes. That's no biggie. It's behind the screen, won't be a problem. We had to drill through each stud to the actual speaker spots. So what we'll do at this point is just put some blue boxes and faceplate, paint the faceplate, and it'll look great. And we have a big project we're gonna put up in the attic. We'll show you guys in just a sec. 13-channel project we are doing today out in Flower Mound. First, we started off with this platform. Me and Benny worked on this all day yesterday. 78 by 94. All right, to the main part though, the speakers. So if you can tell, this is roof pitch. We couldn't actually drop the lines down, so we had to do something special with this side. So this side you see, we actually ran the two lines from here, dropped it down into the bottom of the platform, and ran it back to this corner and actually shot the lines up through the wall into the attic, back to our home run, which we will show you in a sec. It's that closet out in the game room. One good thing about this house, it was not pre-wired. If it was pre-wired, it would have been terrible. We would have had a lot of blank faceplates, couldn't have used a lot of wires. But it wasn't pre-wired, so that helped us out a little bit.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the installation portion of this video. Now let's get into the home theater tour. I'm going to take you over to Derek, and we're first going to talk about the amplification and processing in the theater. That, my friends, is across the hallway.
Alright, give me that. Thank you very much. Alright guys, as Cody mentioned, we ran everything back to this closet right here. And up here, we got the magic. So right there is the Denon AVR-X6700H. We have this Crown 1502 powering a subwoofer, which is pushing over 1,000 watts to that. And then we have the QSC GX3 pushing 150 watts a channel for the Pro 18s up front. The Denon, as I mentioned, that's the 13 channel. It's powering everything in the room. I'm going to go ahead and bring you back to Warren so he can give you a walkthrough of what speakers went into this room. Let's get it going.
Alright guys, so Derek and I got these doors flipped around, which is really cool because when they were going into the room before, they'd be hitting the platform, of course. So we got this one locked stationary, got that handle removed, everything came out great. So let's go ahead and get into the room, continue the home theater tour here. There's our masterpiece, guys, our pride and joy, of course, that huge screen we were talking about. We've got that 502L behind the screen, THX certified speaker. Those are a little pricey at $769 a piece, so that's why we didn't do 3 of them for the front stage. Ideally, you'd have 3 of the same speaker, but with professional RTA calibration, we blend that sound together with the Pro 18 RWs. So Pro 18 RW left and right sounds incredible. And let's get into the sides and front wides. So we basically like to set them up sort of as 2 sets of sides. We think it sounds a bit better than having these kind of front wides way far forward towards the screen. So we got 2 sets of sides here, all CS16Ws. We've got CS16Ws in the rear. We had to put them in the slants because of our door configuration. Would have preferred them in the back wall. And then we went with 4 CS16C overhead speakers. And of course, this bad boy right there, the Epson 4050 UB projection. This is a 4K enhanced projector, but don't let that enhanced term fool you guys. This is an awesome, super high resolution, ultra bright projector. We use these things all the time. We probably do like 150 a year. And that 15-inch subwoofer, where's that 15, Derek? Where's the goat? All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed that. That right there, my friends, is a custom Divine Audiovisual ported 15-inch subwoofer with 1050 watts from that crown amplifier pumped into that baby. So that thing jams. It is bolted to the 2x6 and framed around in the attic, completely secure. For any of those who think it may not be secure, that'll never come down, I promise you that. And it creates massive bass. The excursion on that woofer is fantastic. So this was a really cool idea that we had to try to get that subwoofer out of this space. We wanted that super clean look in the front with no woofer up there, but we still wanted that really huge power. So that was awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed this home theater tour. All right, guys, now we're gonna get into the demonstrations. So we've got a couple of cool things planned for you. Let's get into these right now, then we'll send you to Derek for the outro. Thanks for watching so far.
Plus years of service. Combat medals, citations. Only man to shoot down 3 enemy planes in the last 40 years. Yet you can't get a promotion, you won't retire. Despite your best efforts, you refuse to die.
All right, guys, how about that? That was an absolute blast. This is a beast of a system. So much fun doing the install. Please, if you guys subscribe to us, you're entering the DA VIP Club, which will get you access to a VIP discounts through Divine Audiovisual for free nationwide shipping and the best prices in the nation. So yeah, hit us up for that. Consider subscribing and see you on the next one.